Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annalise and today's video is highly requested. Now I had another video planned to go up today, but I had lots of requests on my latest video, which was buying the highest rated items on Wish, to revamp these items, to do DIYs on them to see if I can make them any better. So today I have 3 upcycle DIYs for you guys. 2 are from Wish from the last video and 1 is from Fashion Nova, and I just thought it'd be fun to see if I could turn these items that I really dislike wearing into something that I love. And also I just wanted to apologize that I didn't upload last Friday. I usually upload every Tuesday and Friday, but I didn't last Friday. If you follow me on my vlog channel, you would know why. And this is my new puppy. His name is Kobe. This is why I wasn't filming last week, because I was with him. So if you guys want to learn more about him, then be sure to go to my vlog channel, because I have an entire vlog all about the little man, why we named him Kobe, and all that fun stuff. And this is what the dress looks like on. Now I didn't see any potential in making a DIY on this dress, but a lot of people that watched my last video did, so I don't know how this one is gonna turn out. I'm saying it now, but I'm going off your guys' advice, so I'm gonna cut off the sleeves, turn it into either a dress or a 2-piece. A dress at first. If that doesn't work, it'll be a 2-piece. The sleeves are clearly the problem on this dress, so they need to go, and then we'll just see what happens with the rest of it. I don't have a lot of faith, but you guys do, so maybe it will turn out great. Alright, step number 1 is I'm gonna get rid of these ugly looking sleeves, so let's cut them. Ta-da! It has the sleeves cut off now. Obviously the cutting is really dodgy, but that's okay because we are going to sew it under. But looking at this dress, I don't really like it. I think because the dress is already too big on me, I want to cut it into a 2-piece just to make it look extremely different from the first dress. So I'm now going to cut just above this a little bit of elastic here. That way I can sew it both under and then have a gorgeous silver 2-piece. So let's get to cutting once again. Ta-da! We have a 2-piece, which looks already a lot better. Now my plan is to actually wear these straps off the shoulder. I think that'll look a lot better. So now let's go get either my sewing machine or a needle and thread, whichever I can find, and sew up all of these rough edges to make it look good, and then we can try it on. Look at that, already looking better. So easy, so simple. And that was the final step. So now let's go try on my new 2-piece instead of that hideous dress. I think this 2-piece is actually gonna be pretty cute. And ta-da! The first DIY is done, and I am really happy with how it's turned out. So obviously we have the crop top and the skirt, and I love it. Now you can wear the crop top just normally like so, but I personally prefer it off the shoulders, and I'm just very happy with how this turned out. I need to have a bit more faith in you guys, because as I said in the beginning, I didn't think this was gonna look good, but you guys did, and here we are with a very cute 2-piece. I actually think it looks quite classy off the shoulder like this, kind of royal vibes. I don't know, maybe it's my hair. Whenever I wear this hairstyle, I always feel very classy and fancy, even if I don't want to. But I am really happy with how this turned out. It's gone from a drab, ugly dress that I would never wear to a gorgeous 2-piece that I feel like I'm gonna wear all the time. So this is what the front looks like, and this is what the back looks like. And I am just obsessed with how this turned out. Hopefully the rest of the DIYs we're about to embark on turn out just as good as this one. The next item that I'm going to be fixing is also from Wish. It is this dress right here. So let's cut to the clip of me trying it on. And this is what this dress looks like on. It is very sheer, as you guys can see. So my plan is to take some like nude colored fabric and put it underneath this dress, get rid of these sleeves, and turn it into just a normal dress, because on the back it has this detailing, as you guys can see here. So I'd love to make these like chain detailings the straps, because I feel like that would just make a much better dress. So why don't we get to it and see how this one turns out. My plan B for this one, actually, if it doesn't work, is that I'm going to turn it into a skirt. So no matter what, something will come out of this one. As I said, I'm going to try and firstly cut this into a nice dress using hopefully the keyring parts as like the straps of the dress. So to do that, I am going to cut off this sleeve area. So let's do that. Okay, now that the sleeves are cut off, I'm just gonna change these chains to join, like not crisscross. That way I can get a better idea of what I need to do to get rid of this bit right here. Okay, now with my scissors, I am just going to cut right here. And also just up here. And now that that's all cut off, these little chain parts are officially the straps. Obviously it doesn't look the cutest here, so I'm going to go at it with my scissors, make it look a little bit cuter. Then it's time to sew. There we go. Now it is looking a lot better, so I'm just going to sew all of these bits down because that is obviously a very dodgy cutting job. But I always do dodgy cutting jobs, then just sew it up because it's a lot easier that way. And then this dress will be almost done, looking very different. There we go. It is coming along quite nicely. All I want to do now is add a strip of fabric just on the front here because it's a little bit see-through. So I have some fabric from earlier that I'm just going to hand sew right in front so that nothing is see-through. And this is what this DIY looks like now that it's all done. This is the front. The best part is the back with the gorgeous little chains as the straps, and I am very happy with how this one turned out. I was also thinking I might style it with a rhinestone belt. I don't know if I'm feeling the belt, but I really do like this dress. It's now something that I would personally wear more. It's nowhere near as see-through now that I've added that extra material underneath, and I am very happy with how this DIY turned out. This is going pretty well so far. I feel like this is going too well. My last DIY video, you know, there were quite a few fails in there, so I'm a little like, when are the fails coming? So I mean, we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, the next and final DIY I'm doing is actually on Kylie Jenner's 21st birthday outfit from Fashion Nova. So this wasn't in a video, but I ordered it for a video and it never showed up, and then I put it on my Instagram to show you guys. So I actually really don't like how this looks on me. I'll show you in just a second. And recently on Meshki, I saw they had something similar to this, but it was actually in a crop top and shorts, and I had it in my cart about to buy when I was like, wait a minute, why don't I just take something I don't like and turn it into something I was gonna buy? So that's what we're gonna do. So let's cut to the clip of me wearing it. And this is what the jumpsuit looks like on. It's pretty cute, but doesn't suit my body personally, which is why I think cutting it into some shorts and a strapless top will just look that little bit better, and will also make it more comfortable. For my long torso, there just isn't enough material here because I kind of want to keep pulling it up, but then I have to pull it down, and so I think it'll just work a lot better for me as a crop top and a pair of shorts. This one should be a pretty simple. I'm just going to cut it and then sew it, and it'll look perfect. The only thing is it does have a zipper on the back, so this fits me loose enough where I'm just going to pretend there never was a zipper, you know, and just like pull it on and off. But let's get to it. So this is the jumpsuit, and I'm thinking of cutting about here because I want it to be pretty high waist with the shorts and then have the crop top just that little bit shorter. So let's get our scissors and do it. And here we have the final DIY. Now this one was super simple, but I actually really like how this turned out as well. I think I've made this outfit a lot more me. It fits me better. I don't feel so uncomfortable trying to pull it up and down all the time. And also it's just, sorry, my dog's going crazy over here, but this is just more my personal style. I wouldn't wear my hair up like this, that's for sure, but I do really like this set, and I can definitely see myself wearing it out. And it was super simple, but I really like these simple DIYs like this because it just goes to show, even though you may not like an outfit, maybe all you need is scissors, a needle and thread, and you can turn it into something you'll love wearing. And if you didn't prefer this like already joined together, I mean, that's cool too. It's all just about personal preference, and I personally really liked how this one turned out. I think this with my hair out, like straightened, would be a good clubbing look. So if you see me out in the club soon wearing something like this, you know I made it. And that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. From sitting here after just doing them, I think they all turned out to be okay, but sometimes when I'm editing and I can see it for a while, I kind of realize it didn't look as good as I thought it did. So, I mean, you guys will know. If editing Annalise stepped in and told you guys she didn't like it, then I didn't like it. But either way, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of upcycling some Wish and Fashion Nova items. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I upload it 2 times every single week, unless I've just bought a new puppy. Then I give myself a day off to play with him. And if you want to see more of my face or some of these outfits in action, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. My links are down below and always on the screen right now. And that's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!